Hello students, let us go through one more sum based on the method of elimination by equating the coefficients. The sum is solve the following simultaneous equations. The two equations are given to us, as you all can see. The first equation is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19 and the second equation is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Let's take the first equation, that's 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. The equation is in the required form. Let this be equation number 1. The second equation is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7 in the required form. Let this be equation number 2. Now let's decide which variable we would like to eliminate, and for that we need to check their coefficients, right? So let's check the coefficients of m first. In the first equation, the coefficient of m is 5. In the second equation, the coefficient of m is 1. So we cannot eliminate m because the coefficients are different. Now look at the coefficients of n. In the first equation, coefficient of n is minus 3. In the second equation, it is minus 6. The coefficients of n are also different. So here we will have to either make the coefficient of m same, or we will have to make the coefficient of n same and then eliminate it by either adding the two equations or subtracting the two equations. Now the question is, how do we make the coefficients same? Now look at the coefficients of m. The coefficients are 5 and 1. So we need to make this 1 as 5, and to do that we will have to multiply the entire second equation by 5. To make the coefficient of n same, in the first equation it is 3, in the second equation it is 6. So to make this 3 as 6, we need to multiply the entire equation by 2. So to make the coefficient of m same, we need to multiply the second equation by 5. To make the coefficient of n same, we need to multiply the first equation by 2. So the choice is absolutely yours. In the exam, you can either multiply the second equation by 5 and make the coefficient of m same, or you can multiply the first equation by 2 or make the coefficient of n same. The choice is absolutely yours. Here we have made the coefficient of m same by multiplying the second equation by 5. So let's multiply the second equation by 5. We need to multiply the entire equation by 5. Remember this. So let's multiply each and every term of second equation by 5. What do we get? We get 5m, that's 5 into m, 5m. 6 into 5, that's minus 30n, is equal to minus 7 into 5, that's minus 35. So we get a new equation. Let this equation be equation number 3, right? So we have now modified the second equation by multiplying it by 5, and we have got the third equation. So whatever operation now we need to do, it will be between the first equation and the third equation, right? So let's do it. We are supposed to eliminate m because we have made the coefficient of m same. For that, check the sign of m. In the first equation it is plus 5m. In the third equation also it is plus 5m. So it is plus 5m plus 5m. The signs are same. We need to subtract the two equations, right? So you can either subtract equation 1 from equation 3, or you can subtract 3 from 1. The choice is yours. When you subtract equation 3 from equation 1, remember that you need to write the first equation first. So that's your first equation, 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. That's your third equation, that's 5m minus 30n is equal to minus 35. We are subtracting, so don't forget to leave some space because we need to change the signs as well. So let's change the signs now. Currently it is plus 5m, so the new sign will be minus. Currently it is minus 30n, so the new sign will be plus. So we need to operate with this sign. Here it is minus 35, so again the new sign will be plus, right? Now let's operate as per the new signs. 5m minus 5m will get cancelled. Minus 3n plus 30n. Minus 3 plus 30 is plus 27, right? 27n. Plus 19 plus 35. Plus 19 plus 35 is plus 54. So, you get 27n is equal to 54. You get the value of n is equal to 54 upon 27, 27 ones are, 27 twos are, you get n is equal to 2. Once you get the value of n, now it is time for us to find the value of m, and to find the value of m, we need to substitute the value of n either in the first or the second or the third equation, whichever you feel is easy. If we substitute n is equal to 2 in, say, equation number 2, the equation number 2 is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Let us substitute n as 2. What do we get? We get m minus 6 into 2 is equal to minus 7. So, you get m minus 6 2s are 12, you get m minus 12 is equal to minus 7. Now, minus 12 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 12. So, we get m is equal to minus 7 plus 12. You get m is equal to 12 minus 7, that is 5. You get m as 5, you get n as 2. Don't forget to write the final answer that the solution of the given simultaneous equations is m comma n, which is equal to 5 comma 2. As simple as that.